jogging. Morning jogging. One. Morning jogging with Pubi. Morning jogging. Hala, run. Come here. Pubi. Come here. Follow me. Good girl. Follow me. Good girl. Yan, dito kami nagja-jogging tuwing umaga. Okay? Run. Nakakita na naman siya ng aso. Ayun, nakita niya yung aso nandoon. Come here. Nay? Oh. What? Yeah. Mamaya tatakol na to. Nakakita na naman siya ng gustong kaaway. Dun. Andon siya. Come here. Come here.
Lady, go!
Yeah? Ba? Kala mo kung sino, oh. Akala mo kung sino.
K.O. K.O.
Morning jogging with Pubi. Oh. Right? Go. Go. Hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin niyang makipagkwan. Gusto niya na namang makipag-away. Gusto mo na namang makipag-away? Gusto mo na namang makipag-away? Go. Go. Gusto na naman niyang makipag-away. Itong park na to, malapit lang ito sa bahay namin. Kaya tuwing umaga o hapon, andito kaming dalawa. Ikot-ikot. Come. Come here. Come here. Come. Okay, good girl. Come here. Wala. Jump. Here, come here. Some more jump here. Some more. Jump. Wow. Para may exercise tayong dalawa. Morning exercise. Yan. Bu. Takbo. Bu. Hey. Takbo. Jump. Some more jump. Oh. No, don't eat that one. Oh, ano? Nakakita ka na naman ng aso? Nakita ka na naman ng aso? Hindi ka man lang hindi ka man lang marunong makipagkaibigan. Gusto mo lagi away. Gusto mo lagi makipag-away. Good job. Yay. Come here. Hey. Yan yung mag-asawa, oh. Umaga't hapon, lumalabas silang mag-exercise. Hey, come here. Run. Oh, don't go there. Come here. Hanggang dito na lang ang vlog nating umaga, ang pag-jogging namin ni Pobi. Early in the morning jogging. Ito siya. Ito siya. Hey. Okay. She wants some more jogging. She wants some more run. She She wants some run. She wants some more. She wants some more. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. You ask Bobby. Bye-bye. Bobby. Ask. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bobby. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye for watching for me. Bye-bye.